As the heat goes up on the India-China issue, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has once again asked the government to clarify the situation. India and China will hold a top-level military meeting on June 6th in a bid to resolve the troop confrontation in eastern Ladakh. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh finally admitted that Chinese soldiers were present in a sizable number in the high-altitude region in India. Defense sources said the June 6th meeting is set to be raised to the level of lieutenant generals of the two armies, in a clear indication that the several rounds of talks between rival colonels, brigadiers and major generals have failed to break the deadlock in the month-long military stalemate. In a tweet, Rahul Gandhi said, "Can Government of India please confirm that no Chinese soldiers have entered India?" Earlier, Rahul Gandhi slammed the central government on May 29th and also during his press conference in the last week of May. In a tweet on May 29th, Rahul Gandhi said, "The government's silence about the border situation with China is fueling massive speculation and uncertainty at a time of crisis. Government of India must come clean and tell India exactly what is happening." On May 26th, during his fourth address to media through video conferencing, the former Congress chief had said, "The details of what happened along the border the government should share with the people." He said what happened with Nepal and why. What is happening in Ladakh should be made clear. I cannot see transparency. The issue of Ladakh in China is a live issue. Transparency is required, he said.
नेपाल में क्या हुआ, किस प्रकार हुआ, क्यों हुआ, लद्दाख में क्या हो रहा है, किस प्रकार हो रहा है, ट्रांसपेरेंसी होनी चाहिए, क्लियरली उनको सरकार को बताना चाहिए. वो ट्रांसपेरेंसी नहीं दिख रही है मुझे.
A face-off on the LAC was triggered after the Chinese objected to road construction and development of infrastructure by India within the Indian territory. The defense minister had confirmed last week that People's Liberation Army soldiers had come a little further than they used to earlier to make the situation different this time from earlier military face-offs. India and Chinese troops have been engaging in frequent scuffles and face-offs due to different perceptions of the LAC and their respective claim lines for a long time. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has raised the issue and said the national security cannot be compromised.